Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Gmail email address in just a few simple steps. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap on 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Select the Gmail account. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Go to the Personal Info tab. Under Contact Info, tap on Email. Now, under Google Account Email, you'll see your current Gmail address. Important: you cannot directly change your Gmail address. You can only add an alternate email or create a new Gmail account. If you want, you can add an alternate email address by tapping on Alternate Emails. Tap Add Alternate Email, verify it, and it will be linked to your account. If you really want a new Gmail address, you will have to create a new Google account. And that's it. How to change your Gmail email address. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.